Today's video is going to be really interesting. We have an install, but it's not going to be like the other installs we've done in the garage. We're actually about to go drive an hour away in Temecula, and we have to go pick it up because California is really fun and will not allow certain parts to get shipped here. But the part we're going to be installing on the 2017 STI today is going to be a Cobb 4-bar map sensor that we're going to need, especially once we start turning up the boost here very shortly. So today we're going to be installing that on the STI. It's going to be a really interesting day because we have to go pick it up, and then afterwards we have to go drive to my tuner. I have to throw it on the car, install it at my tuner. He has to redo the volumetric efficiency tables on the STI in order for us to safely drive the car. And we're just pretty much going to be hanging out today. A lot of you seem to like the vlog style videos, so they're going to keep coming. I do take everyone's feedback into consideration, but without further ado, let's get the day started. The shop we're going to today is Metro Performance of SoCal. They are a shop based out in Temecula. Super cool team. Danny and the guys over there always help me out whenever they can, and they have done in the past. I really recommend them if you're looking for any quality work being done to your Subaru. They build badass and fast fucking cars. Holy crap, look at that Dodge Viper on the trailer. Damn. We're pulling into the shop right now. I actually just ran into the owner, but did you guys see that Dodge Viper? That thing is so sick, man. That's actually one of my dream cars right there. That's my goal, at least in life, is just to be financially comfortable to the point where I can afford a really nice car, trailer it on my own trailer with my own truck, and not have to worry about any of that other crap. As you can see, there's a ton of STIs and WRXs all around. We're actually right behind the shop. We're gonna go pick it up. How's it been going?
Good, bud. How are you?
Good, man.
Good, man.
Car's running good.
That's good.
Yeah. All right, we're finally back in the car after about an hour of talking with the owner, with my girlfriend and I. Dude loves to talk, but I don't know. Guy's cool. We got the part. Now we got to drive to Long Beach, go see my tuner, and then we got to install it, which is going to be really interesting to do a live install right outside his dyno. Dude, traffic here on the 91 is always bad, and it's only, I think, 1 p.m. too, but it's also a Friday, so probably a lot of people getting off work. We have about maybe another hour. Hopefully it's not that bad the rest of the way. We are almost at the shop. Traffic wasn't too bad. Right after this, hopefully we're gonna be going to my favorite coffee shop. It's something that I always get while I'm in LA, and you guys are gonna have to wait and see because it's the bomb. So we just got to the shop. Now we're gonna install the map sensor. And the whole reason we're doing this is because as boost season's coming in, as the temperature starts dropping, we're already at 28 PSI. So we're already at that upper threshold of the OEM 3-bar map sensor. So we're upgrading to a 4-bar map sensor, whatever that conversion is in PSI. Here's the OEM map sensor. It sits on the OEM throttle body right behind the intake manifold. So we're gonna disconnect it. We just gotta unscrew it. And then once we unscrew it, hopefully, because it's hot, this will just come out. There's an O-ring right here on the map sensor. We're going to replace this with a new O-ring on the new unit. They also include grease, so everything is supplied. We don't need to go to the store. We can do everything right here, although the sun is super, super hot today. So I am gonna try to finish this as fast as possible. So here's our new connection. There's our new O-ring. I'm gonna get some lube, whatever I was just saying. I'm gonna lube it up a little bit. Push this over. And you guys probably can't see that. Okay, so now it's on there. I'm gonna take the excess off. The next thing we have to do is grab our adapter, which is right here. We're gonna apply some Permatex that they included, and then we're just gonna screw it in. I believe you need a 22mm wrench to tighten this down. We're gonna grab a little bit of that provided thread sealant. It's purple. That's a nice color, actually. We'll thread this guy on. Twist, twist, twist. And then you know what? I'm gonna see if I can borrow a vise. I'll put this in the vise, and then I'm gonna grab my 22. We're gonna apply 8 foot-pounds of torque, and then the thing should be all set.
All right.
8 foot-pounds? Yeah. I didn't think so. I think it's good. Now that we have the entire thing assembled, all we gotta do is insert it. They provide locking washers and then Allen key screws or bolts. So it's pretty nice. It's an entire kit. I'm sure you guys can hear that V8 behind me. It's actually an SUV. I don't even know which one it is. Thing's loud as fuck though. And now all we gotta do is plug this thing in. And there we go. Done. All right, he's telling me to pull into the bay so he can just flash it there. So that's what we're gonna do.
You already changed it? Expand.
I don't know why I thought it was gonna start. It's good to go. We are good to go. Oh, man, it is hot as fuck today. We are here at my favorite coffee shop, and I say it's my favorite because they serve something that no other coffee shop does here in LA, San Diego. I can't find it anywhere except these guys. Dyno-wise though, we were in and out of there in probably 30 to 40 minutes. It was super fast. You guys saw the install, pretty much took no time. All you need is basic hand tools. And yeah, let me know what you think of this style of format in terms of installs. I'm not saying they're all gonna be like this. This is a little bit more vlogish since you guys seem to like those a little bit more, but who knows? Things may always change in the future. Now, as far as the STI goes, we do have one more thing we're going to be installing next week, or hopefully it arrives next week, I should say. Mark from Company 23 and our cart boy was nice enough to send us some free parts, so we're going to be throwing those on. I'm not going to tell you guys what they are until we get the package, so you guys are going to have to wait to the next video. I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video here. The rest of the day is going to consist of us going to get pizza and maybe go walk around the beach. Nothing you guys really want to see. Let me know what you want to see as far as content style. Do you like these more vlog style videos with a little bit of install mixed into them? Do you like pure install videos where I don't show you anything about my life? But a lot of you guys like the other video where I kind of showed you a little bit of insight of what goes on in my day-to-day life. So I just figured I'd try something new, but I'm always taking your guys' feedback into consideration. Like I said, we have an install coming up on the channel, a part that I've actually never had on any single car that I've ever owned, which is going to be super fun, and it's supposed to make the driving experience a lot better. So we'll see. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like, turn it whatever color it turns for you, and until next time, I'll see you guys on the next one.